Determine the total area under the standard normal curve. I'm going to do B and let you figure out A and C by yourselves. I'm also going to do B two different ways because different people learn different ways. For B, I need to find the area to the left of Z equals negative 1.68 or to the right of Z equals 3.05. So I need to find those two areas in essence. That's what I have to find. So here I drew a normal curve, kind of the idea. It wants me to find to the left of 6.8 and it wants me to find to the right of 3.5. So to do these two things, I have to use my calculator. And I'm going to have to do something kind of new. So the first thing is I need to find the area associated with negative 1.68. So I need the area for negative 1.68. So to do that, go to my calculator. We just did several problems just like this. So we're going to turn it on. Second bars, a CDF, because again we want to count all the way up to negative 1.68. Really big negative number, negative 1 e to the 99. My upper bound number, the number I stop at, negative 1.68. My average, which is 0, and my standard deviation, 1. Hit enter. So then the area for negative 1.68 is 0.465. Make sure it's right. 0.46 round up 5. Perfect. Now that we found the area for the left side of negative 1.68, we're going to find the area to the right side of 3.5. So next we need the area for the right side of 3.05. Now to do this in the calculator, I have to shift my upper bound and lower bound numbers. And I'll show you. Same exact start off, normal CDF, but now I need it to go from my starting point, which will be 3.05, and I need to go to a positive number, big positive number at that. So I'm going to start with my lower bound number as my z-score number, 3.05. My upper bound number will be a giant 1, so 1 e to the 99. Average is 0, standard deviation is 1. And I get the probability of 0.0011. So then those are the two areas associated with the two different z-score values at 0.0465 and 0.0011. So then my area for both of those, I have to add them together. So then my final answer, 465 plus 0011 gives me 0.0476. There's my area. That's all it is. I need it to the left and to the right. You put them together. So that's one way of doing it. That's the more direct method of doing this idea. Now, I'm going to show you another method, which is the complement way. So let me take away everything. So I redrew my graph. Now, it wants everything to the left of negative 1.68, and it wants everything to the right of 3.05. So I'm going to use the idea of a complement, and I'm going to find the area in between and subtract that from 1, right? This would be the complement way. So in my calculator, what I'm going to do, it's going to be it's going to be quicker because I only have to do one thing. For the complement way, I'm going to start with a 1 minus because I need the complement of the answer. So I'm going to start with 1 minus the number. Now I'm going to do the normal CDF. My lower bound number is where I'm going to start, so that negative 1.68. My upper bound number is where I'm going to end, 3.05. Average is 0. Standard deviation is 1. And our answers should be close to the same. We hit enter, and look at that. They are exactly the same. So you can do it one way, or you can do it the other way. I showed you both, so then you can go back and try B and A and C to see if you can do whichever way works for you.